Good day, Miss Reddy. I'm going to be solving the rocket launch question. So I'm going to read the question first of all. A rocket of mass 13.874 grams launched at 40 degrees to the horizontal takes 4.6 seconds to land. Calculate the initial velocity in the horizontal direction as well as the net force of the rocket. So we have a diagram here and we also have a diagram for the net force. So first of all, we have this parameters of what we are solving. So to start with this question, to look for the initial velocity in the horizontal direction, we are going to look at this formula. Change in the distance in the horizontal is equals to the velocity in the horizontal times the change in time. So to make v of h the subject of the formula to find the initial velocity in the horizontal, we are going to then look at this. Change in d of h divided by time. So that's going to give us 123.56 divided by 4.6. And that gives us 26.86 meters to the right. Now, to look for the velocity initial in the horizontal direction, which the question is actually requiring, that is equals to the velocity in the horizontal divided by cos 40 degrees. So that is because we're looking for this and not just this. So that's 26.86 meters divided by cos 40, and that gives us 35.06 meters per second to the right. So this is the actual velocity we need. Now to calculate for the net force. We know that the force is equals to mass times the acceleration. So what do? So to find our acceleration, which is unknown because the mass is 13.874 grams, we are going to use the formula V2 equals to V1 plus A change in T. And we know that our V2 will be 0 because the rocket is going to hit here, so V2 is equals to 0. V1 is 35.06 plus 4.68. So we're going to move this over to negative 35.06 equals to 4.68. Divide both sides by 4.6. And A will be equals to negative 7.62 meters per second squared in the right. So MA is 13.874 times negative 7.62. Doing the calculations, we get 105.72 newtons approximately negative. The reason why we not involve Fn or Fg is because they cancel each other out, because this is in the positive and this is in the negative.